To me haters hello, suck your mama bye-bye. Visa in a book, me and me G them a fly. Them no wanna see me young and a try. Them no wanna see me young and a try. Me no care if you're straight or you lean. And if you wanna live your life dirty or clean. Mind me own a business, me not intervene. That's not my problem, you know what I mean.
Ayo, Lion Foot. TV station, them have to know what go on. We fix up the whole nation and the whole works. Kaboom, calm down. Ayo, cross tell them blood clot. Yabayu, this is not bounty killer. Big up killer. Yabayu, the black like a black, them have to know what go on. Kaboom, calm down. Me have the needle and check me so the girl will me all purpose. Me angle them vicious. Dash. Bang.
Welcome to Lion Foot TV at the right place, so don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. A pleasant good morning. Yeah, man, big up everybody, man. You don't know. There, we give thanks to life, and strength. Spring is arriving. Big up the Gunas fans, them, you know. Yes, man, I don't know where they are right now. Nah, very long, but I just want to big up my people and big up my fans, them. Big up my lovers and my haters. Big up everybody in the world. Equality, Mr. Diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength. You see me? You're not the man of peace. Lion Foot, I am Eric. You see me? Yes, man, you see it? Never left it, you know. That's what I say. Right now, we're going to do a quick vibes, quick reasoning. Yeah, so, I talk about the double standard. Don't go away. We are forward.
Welcome to Kingston, welcome to Jamaica, welcome to Kingston. The land of food and water. If a girl live in Lamobay, you must take a trip and come check out Kingston. Let's go!
Alright, welcome back, people. I'm begging you, please go check out my EP, you know. Welcome to Kingston, say reggae EP. Yeah, man, you don't know. It's out on all platforms. Seeing I do the thing independently, musically, and you know what I mean? Slowly but surely I get there, you see it? Yes, man, big up my PR, big up my producer, my engineer, you know, what a belly is there. Is it? Yeah, man, so, I want to talk about this Jaii Frais business here. Remember, click the bell and like and share. Click the bell. So when I say, people, my fans, them ask me, say them, if I still a post, you know, I'm still posting. Well, I never do none yesterday still, but I don't know. At the energy, at the vibe, you see me, but I do some football vlog yesterday. I try to build a new channel and just focus on football. See? So I have a new channel named Arsenal Referee and Coach TV. You don't know I'm a coach and referee already, certified, active. See? Yes, so I build a new channel where I'm going to just focus on sports. You see me? Yeah, man. So big up Gonna Talk TV, and you don't know, big up. You see me, all of the Arsenal fans them. So yeah, man, it's an honor to be on board. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna take it serious. So people, go subscribe to my new channel if you're a sports fan. See? Yeah, man. We might not do much vlogs on Lion Foot TV because you don't know. You see it? Sometimes the animosity them, when we do animosity vlogs, them get more views. You see me? And then when we do the righteous and the positive stuff them, but we not do it for the views and we not do it for money. You don't know, YouTube now really pay me. You see me? Yeah, it's been months now since I don't get $1 from YouTube. But anyway, that's not the topic. Right now we are talking about double standard in Jamaica. So Jaii Frais, you see me? In I'm looking thing right now, you know, in saga, you know what I mean? And people are criticizing, people are bashing, people are hating him, you know. When him come out and for the speech we're making at the past about him batty business and you know, him tongue go around there. No disrespect to Jaii Frais, you see me? I'm not trying to style him, but you see me? So come back to auntie, man. I feel like say people are trying to bring him down. All because of him ego. Remember Jaii Frais come out and this to fix them. I mean, I don't know if I fix them first to diss him or style him or what, but the way Jaii Frais did come across boisterous, egoistic, as an egoistical person, a show off on him money, say him rich and all of them things there. And the worst thing you could have do towards Jamaican people. We know how Jamaicans stay. Some of them bad mind, some of them jealous, some of them envy, some of them real, some of them covetous, some of them are friend killer. You see me? Some of them jealous and they do anything to see you fall down, do anything to tear you down, even for splice and fix up things. That's what I said, doctor up things, documents. So if you bring it down, you see me, and you see Jaii Frais, the body talk we make on him interview. Even them set out time own mouth, people are judging him and criticizing him, and people are praying for him fall and I say to come down and all of them things there. People are saying I get rich too quick. I ain't have a problem with that. Each to them own. Man, make them money what them want, make them money and live them life what them want, live them life. You see me, I do my 9 to 5, I bust my drive. You see me? But yeah man, so Jaii Frais on every backlash, we see him keep him party ready. You see me, and it look like it shot him get a good turnout same way. You see me, them say Chronicler never turn up. But Valiant turn up. And we see be a backlash in a go on and people are judge people. Going to the party doesn't mean you do what Jaii Frais do. Doesn't mean you're gay, it doesn't mean you're a lesbian or nothing. Going to the party. You see me? Each to their own. You see me I say? And I will put a double standard. When it comes to double standard, Jamaicans are one of them. You see me? And who don't like come here talk right now can unfollow me, you know. If you follow me, I don't agree with me when you can't follow me because you don't know Lion Foot now. Look nothing about likes and followers and money and them things there. I'm poor. I am a poor man. You know? Trying to make ends meet and trying to survive and trying to experience richness. So I can help my family and give them a good life, especially my mother. So me I say, I want to buy the big house for mama yet, you see me? But yeah man, so Jaii Frais, people them, you see me, I judge all our selectors and them things there. I'm big up Foot Hype too. You see me, Footer, I'm a G, I rate Footer them talk, but it's not everything I agree with Footer. And it's not the first I said this, you know what I mean? Enough time Footer talk and sometimes I agree and disagree with some of the things that I'm saying. Because you have to look on life in a way, you know. Not because you don't like something, you can't force somebody if you don't like it. You see me? Each to their own and some see life. I live in England over a decade. You see me? And I have been around people, work with people, shake them and talk to them. Because at the end of the day, my bills are paid and my family, them, my kids them have to eat. I mean, I have to work, do my 9 to 5 and, you know what I mean? I do several different jobs. You see me, I say driving job, delivery job, football, everything I do. Because I'm a youth, always I work. I'm a youth, always I try. You see? I work at the Olympics 2012. I met Usain Bolt, I met all of the stars them, I met all of the athletes them. Who straight and who lean and, you know what I mean? Yeah, every day we have to work, we have to eat. Our man make them money, how them want to make for them money. If you're a selector, you make your money by selecting, yeah. If you're a dancer, you make your money by dancing, whatever. You see me? I saw me see it, but Jamaica full of double standard because enough of these artists, when I'm a praise. You see me, again, I not try style nobody. You know, Lion Foot not try style no man. I be a double standard. Them say Chronicler no go. Chronicler was on the fly, but him didn't go. Zine, I remember Lila come out and state her sexuality. Big up Lila Ike. Again, Lion Foot now, nothing against nobody. I love me say. Zine, I think Chronicler and Lila Ike do a song, though. Lila Ike never keep a party and the whole of them go. Masicka. Shenseea no do song with Masicka. Shenseea said she want it. She want it or she tried in her bum. See? And enough of the artists them. Where I say rare. Them do song with people where rare. Nicki Minaj are one of the top freak them. No disrespect to Nicki Minaj, but America, when it comes to America, yeah. I no disrespect to the Americans them, you see me? But that's life. You see me? Nicki Minaj sing about oral sex, she sing about eating the stick and the next sitting there. The rank. You see me? She sing about anal and all of them things there. And when she start follow the people, them know the Jamaican them, oh, them get excited and headlighted. The Nicki Minaj follow me. You see me? Enough of the promoters, them, enough of the makeup artists, them. You see me? Alright. And enough of the artists, them interact with them. You see me? So, as Mr. Minaj stay long, morning. That's a double standard, man. too much double standard in Jamaica. You see me? And 2024 now, we have to live and let others live. Let people live them life. You see me, I say? And show respect and love, man. Equality, diversity, equity, empathy, love, unity, strength. You see me? Not because you don't like something, you can force down what you don't like by other people. You see them cook fish. Some steamed fish and mash. Mashed potato, banana, pumpkin, plantain. You see me, I say? I'm going to mash up everything. Yam. You see me? I'm crush everything. You see me, I say? And my son, him not really like the mash. And him I say, Dad, they keep forcing me for things I don't like. I'm looking to it and I say, I treat him. I say, well, you never play no game until they eat some. Him eat some, yes, but him eat out the fish. Him love fish, but him eat some of the mash. You see me? And, you know, and I say, I look into it and I say, I choose still, you know, you can't, not because we like something and we can't force somebody who don't like it to like it. You see me, I say? So, I did just do a quick thing about the double standard in Jamaica. You see me, I say? Too much double standard, man. And some of us just love falla and bad mind others because people are successful and everything there. Jaii Frais should have kept him mouth quiet and keep him business himself, but maybe he's just being honest to him fans and him people and why him come out and talk, you see me? You know, but such is life. You see me? I have a song, I remember from 2017. I remember drop it, nobody will not question me. But I don't care. I did just write this song and know say I equality, man. Respect people, man. Love is the way, man. Not all you have some gay people who are good people, loving, friend, you know what I mean? Caring, I give back. It's just that they was born that way or them turn that way. That doesn't mean you have to kill them and hate them and burn them and you see what I say? Love is the way, man. Until we start pre-life in a better way, and just know some man who own a business, the world will be better, you know, Jamaica will be a better place, and you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, it's the worst thing you can do.
I love, man. We're going to continue the topic about. I don't know, big up on yourself, and as I say, who don't like how I talk, you can subscribe, you can follow me. I love, man. I'm the man of peace, man. I love myself, man. You see what I say? Show love amongst a friend. Sizzler, that is heaven. None of us can run from the truth. Yeah, man. Love, man. Love over war. See? Blessed love. I'm the man of peace, man. Share the content, like the content. Subscribe and click the bell. Become a part of the family. You know why so we keep it trip on the back of field. I love myself. That's what I say. That's what I say. Me not care if you're straight or you're lean. And if you want to live your life dirty or clean. Mind me own a business, me not intervene. That's not my problem, you know what I mean. Push shots.